Hello everyone, today is the third video of ENVI tutorial series in GIS and RS channel. In this video I will show you how to clip or subset an image via shapefile or region of interest. In the first video you have learned about ENVI basic like introduction with ENVI interface, button, use of tools, and in second video about how to add different types of data in ENVI and how to save file. Open ENVI from the start menu and then add your image file and shapefile. So here I am adding the image file. So this is my image file, and then click open, and my image file has been added here. And after that I'm adding the shapefile. So this is my study area shapefile. So you can see over here my shapefile has been added. Then I'm going to highlight my shapefile. So you can change the shapefile color, or you can change the border thickness. So you can see I have changed the color of my shapefile border. So this is my study shapefile. I am going to clip the total image according to this shapefile. So then go to raster management and then resize data. So double click on this resize data input file. So select the file, then spatial subset, select a spatial subset. So you can subset your file using image map file or ROI. So I'm going to select ROI here. So here my ROI is my study area shapefile. Then click OK. And then click OK. OK. Resize data parameters. You can see over here output file dimensions, and here set output dimensions by pixel size. You can change the pixel size of your image as per your requirement. Then click OK. And resampling, there are three resampling methods. So here I am using nearest neighbor method, and then enter output file name. I am going to give it a name for my file. So here I am writing region of interest, or you can write as per your study area name or anything that you want. Then click open. Then click OK. So you can see over here my study area has been clipped from the total image. So this was my study area shapefile, and this is the final output that I have clipped from the total image. So today you have learned about how to clip your image according to a study area. In the next tutorial I will show you about image registration or geometric correction, and till then stay safe and happy.